You're one decision away from changing everything. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Wake up before the sun between 5 and 6 a.m. When the world is quiet, your mind is clear. Take a deep breath, drink a glass of water, and step outside. Feel that cool morning air? That's your reset. That's your reminder you're alive. And you still have time to become who you were meant to be. Move your body, stretch, sweat, not to impress anyone, but to prove to yourself that you keep promises. Then fuel your body high-protein breakfast, clean fuel for a clean mind. Sit down, close your eyes, and breathe. 5 minutes of silence can fix what hours of scrolling can't. Focus on what you want to build, not what's gone, not what's broken. Grab your coffee, open your notebook, and start your deep work. No noise, no distractions, just you versus yesterday. Every focused hour is a silent brick in the empire you're building. Around midday, step outside again. Sunlight on your face, air in your lungs, gratitude in your chest. Eat clean, keep it simple. Then read something. Feed your mind the way you feed your body. Before evening, do one thing that makes you feel alive. Write, paint, sing, build, dream. Connect with people who remind you who you are. And when the day slow down with it. Magnesium, no screens, soft music, and a notebook. Reflect on what you did and what you'll do better tomorrow. Sleep before 10 p.m. Let your body recharge, let your mind rest. Because tomorrow, you rise again. Save this routine, live it for 7 days. Then tell me, how does it feel to finally meet the strongest version of yourself?